They see the cognitive load and the need to experiment and the need to think, the need to plan, to design, to understand that coding's more than typing, right? That the coding is the smallest part of the work.
I think that we, as an industry, we do not do enough inside team collaboration. And we definitely do not do nearly enough collaboration vertically in the organization. That's what prevents us from doing that collaboration vertically. And I think that that's really a shame.
You know, on this situation with management and development, lately I've just been talking to those who are curious and vibe coding with them, because then they can finally see what it's like. And I just asked them to, fire up something simple, Jupyter Notebook, maybe with Anaconda, something easy to install. And I say, give me a spreadsheet of some data, some simple spreadsheet, and let's draw graphs from it. And they're like, I don't know how to do this. I don't know any code. And I said, well, just use Python. You don't have to know any Python particularly. Just tell me step by step what you think we have to do in order to draw graphs with a computer. And they'll sit down and we'll talk about it for about 20 minutes, half an hour. And then we'll just ask the LLM to do those steps. And at the end, it's only, 15 lines of code in Python. They can, in fact, draw the graph. And then they get it, right? Because they've done it themselves. They see it. They see the cognitive load and the need to experiment and the need to think, the need to plan, to design, to understand that coding's more than typing, right? That the coding is the smallest part of the work.
Johanna.
And they've had a chance to collaborate with each other. I think that we, as an industry, we do not do enough inside team collaboration. We do not extend our collaboration across our lateral peers, our small world networks. And we definitely do not do nearly enough collaboration vertically in the organization, right? A lot of senior managers. So I am often oblivious to social cues that other people see. And back in my 20s, at every single company I worked with, I was known for taking the hand of a senior manager and saying, I need to show you this, right? You need to see this now because our customers are going to see it. And everybody else I've talked to says, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. No, it's not okay. You need to come with me. And these poor tall men, they had no idea what this short little woman was going to do with them. But every time I grabbed them and showed them, they all said, oh, no, we can't have that. But they needed to see it. And that second floor thing, Tim, that's what prevents us from doing that collaboration vertically. And I think that that's really a shame.